Napakalungkot kung balik-balikan ko yung mga nakaraan. My father died when I was still 1 year old, and my mother died when I was 14. Napakahirap yung buhay. So nag-aaral ako mabuti, naging scholar ako. Hindi ako tumigil doon. I dream bigger. Kasi being an employee, you can only achieve as much. But going into business, there's a lot of opportunities. A business can really help a family have a better future. And eventually, if that business can become bigger, then it can help other people. Nung nag-umpisa nga ako, talagang wala. I started it from scratch and from a business na hindi pa existing. So, ika nga, it's a pioneering business. You know, hands-on ako. When one is absent, I also drive the van. But that's really the inspiration to do more. I want my staff to see na pareho ko rin sila na nagtatrabaho. From a staff of 12 in 1997, we are now around 340. More than 50 trucks and more than 100 motorcycles. So, ganun na yung nilaki ng business ko. Ang pagpasok sa negosyo always starts with a dream. I dream of becoming a 1 billion company. And lo and behold, we achieved it in 9 years. Follow your dream and you will achieve it.